How do you feel today being 7?
Good.
What does it feel like?
I don't know. I can't feel it.
You can't?
No.
Did you have a good day today?
Yes.
Did you?
Yes.
So how old are you now?
7. Wait. Why are you recording it?
Because I want to see you.
Hi,
Rika.
Can I have a present? Mum?
You do it like a present.
Please.
Okay.
This is for you because I wrote your name.
What is it? Show me it. Tell me about it.
Letters and numbers.
Cool.
Is that how
What's
you
my
spell
name?
your name? It's R-I-2-8.
To 8. Yeah, shot.
Is that your name?
You in? Totally. You've done an awesome job.
I'll try to beat you more next time.
Should we blow some up?
Yeah. Is this for my birthday? I drink on it. Well, is this my present?